What if one unexpected bill took $10,000 from your retirement savings, not over 10 years? Not gradually. One emergency. A major home repair. A serious medical expense. A vehicle that suddenly needs replacing. And when you're retired, the problem isn't only the 10,000. It's what that 10,000 could have earned if it had stayed invested. The Federal Reserve found that in 2025, only 63% of US adults said they could cover a hypothetical 400 emergency using cash or its equivalent. And among major unexpected expenses reported that year, some house repairs, vehicle costs, and medical expenses reached 5,000 or more.
What are we gonna do?
Federal Reserve +1. So here's the question: if your next emergency cost 10,000, where would the money come from? Your savings, your investments, or your retirement income? Subscribe to American Broke, because the biggest retirement risks are often the ones nobody puts in the original plan. You may think your retirement budget is under control. Mortgage, groceries, utilities, healthcare. Then the roof starts leaking. The furnace fails. The air conditioner dies. Or the plumbing problem you've ignored suddenly becomes a major repair. The Federal Reserve found that among adults who experienced a major house or appliance repair in 2025, 27% reported paying $5,000 or more. Federal Reserve. Now imagine you're retired. Your income is relatively fixed. You don't have a paycheck coming next Friday. And the emergency can't wait. So you pull money from retirement savings. One withdrawal becomes another. And suddenly, the emergency isn't just a 10,000 expense. It's a permanent reduction in the money supporting your future. If you want to understand the hidden financial risks of retirement, subscribe to American Broke. Because the next emergency may be even harder to avoid. Here's where retirement emergencies become frightening. Sometimes you can postpone a home repair. You can't always postpone your health. An unexpected medical event can create expenses that weren't sitting inside your monthly retirement budget. And even when insurance covers part of the cost, deductibles, co-insurance, prescriptions, travel, dental, vision, and other expenses can still affect the household budget. The Federal Reserve reported that 21% of adults who had a major unexpected expense in 2025 experienced a major medical expense, and 16% of those medical expenses were reported at 5,000 or more. Federal Reserve. That's why a retirement emergency fund isn't just about convenience. It can be about protecting your retirement income from a single bad year. If you're approaching retirement, already retired, or helping your parents prepare, subscribe to American Broke. Because there's one more emergency that can quietly destroy a retirement budget. Imagine your car is suddenly worth almost nothing. Because the transmission fails. Or the engine goes. Or you need a replacement vehicle. For a working person, that's painful. For a retiree, it can become a retirement decision. The Federal Reserve found that 30% of adults reported a major vehicle repair or replacement as a major unexpected expense in 2025. And among those expenses, 21% cost 5,000 or more. Federal Reserve. Now imagine combining that with inflation, healthcare costs, and a fixed retirement income. That's how one emergency can turn into a chain reaction. You spend savings. Your savings balance falls. Your future income may become harder to manage. And suddenly, the retirement you carefully planned feels smaller. Subscribe to American Broke if you want the financial reality, not just the retirement fantasy. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't need a catastrophic disaster to damage your retirement. Sometimes it takes several ordinary problems arriving at the wrong time. A 4,000 repair. A 3,000 medical bill. A vehicle problem. A family emergency. Suddenly, you're staring at a 10,000 plus hole in your retirement plan. And that's why retirement planning isn't simply, how much money do I have? The better question is, how much of my savings can survive the unexpected? In 2025, 55% of US adults said they had savings set aside to cover 3 months of expenses, meaning a large share did not report having that level of emergency savings. Federal Reserve. Your retirement doesn't have to be perfect.